Mshel Homes kept growing. And our goal is to keep growing and not to relent. One of the reasons why we chose to keep pursuing this vision, it is because we've come to see that there is a lot of gap in the housing industry. And for us, we've tailored different people from different places irrespective of tribe, religion, or your culture. But more to that, anytime I look at the team we have and what we've been able to build, both in people and in the society, today by the grace of God, Mshel Homes is a household name in the city of Abuja.
Helps build the team in the sense that the team is able to see that together they can build so much. They can be able to see that with persistence and commitment they can be able to achieve greatness.